To keep oily skin clean, wash your face 2 to 3 times a day with plain soap and water. You can use an over-the-counter cleansing pad that helps dissolve oil and removes excess dirt from the skin surface if you can't get to soap and water. If you have pimples, never pop or squeeze them. This can spread inflammation, make your acne worse, or cause scarring. Use cosmetics and other facial products that are noncomedogenic. This means they don't clog pores. Keep your hair off your face, and wash your hair regularly to reduce oil. Oily skin is so frustrating, especially when you are having that sticky picky face at offices and date where you have to feel confident and fresh. But you are going to love it after using these amazing skin toners which can brighten and tighten your skin magically. The oily skin can look pigmented and patchy while introduced to sunlight and humid climate. In such cases, the natural skin toners can help in regaining the softness and glory of your skin. Here are some amazing and super effective toners for your oily skin. Say goodbye to that stickiness and oiliness on your face with these natural homemade toners. Lemon. Lemon juice is a prime ingredient which can be used for oily and greasy skin. This awesome ingredient is filled with skin bleaching and cleansing properties. The citrus-rich content of this amazing food would simply fight pigmentation, dark patches and dullness. Also, it can give you bright and smooth skin as never before. Thus, go for this lavish ingredient which would never fail to work miracles on your oily skin and get you dreamy complexion just a few uses.
Green tea. We love this magical ingredient which would never fail to make your skin look fresh, hydrated and gorgeous. This cool ingredient is simply filled with lots of herbs and natural ingredient which can fight oiliness and will get you fresh and enviable skin. Get some green tea and wash your face with this magical ingredient for instant brightness and a refreshing feel.
Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is sued since long for skin care and for fighting oily skin issue. Oily skin can sometimes get extremely greasy and sweaty. In such conditions, you can chew apple cider vinegar daily as a skin toner which would never fail to get you miraculous results. This amazing toner is proven to fight extreme oil production and also can make your skin look radiant. Try this awesome natural toner and get enviable skin in no time.
Cucumber toner. Cucumber is such a soothing and oil balancing ingredient. If you return to your home and while watching in the mirror, you find patchy and dark skin as your skin greasiness has attracted all the dust, you can use this amazing skin toner which would cleanse and tone your skin. Get some fresh cucumber juice and apple it daily on your skin for instant glow and brightness.
Aloe vera. Aloe vera gel is a natural herb which can fight dark, pigmented and dull skin. If you have greasy skin which makes it dark and patchy every time you step out, try using aloe vera gel on your skin. Daily massage this amazing natural ingredient on your face. This would cut out all the extra oiliness and make your skin look cleanses and bright. This is a promising ingredient which would get you magical results for sure.
Mint leaves. Mint leaves are extreme oil balancing ingredients. If you have greasy, pigmented dark and patchy skin, this is a refreshing ingredient which would never fail to make your skin whiter and cleaner. Go for this amazing mask and make your skin tone with a natural element. Women generally use the mint leaves and juice to get instant smoothness and freshness over the skin. Try applying this juice daily on your skin and the oiliness and dark skin tone would get significantly reduced.
Rose water. This is one of the coolest multi-benefit ingredients which can make your skin look dreamy. Rose water is a cool ingredient which can add shine, smoothens, softness and brightens to your skin. It clears the oily skin, fights dust and impurities and makes the skin look instantly radiant. Rose water is an effective skin toner which can make oily skin look bright and even toned. If you are looking for a complete skin care ingredient which can make your skin tone rich and glorious every day, this is the ingredient which you must try.
Orange and fennel. Fennel seeds are generally used for fighting dirt, impurities, dust and such elements from your skin. Also, if you have pigmented and patchy skin, orange juice would help in fighting it. Filled with vitamins and citrus, this mixture would cleanse your skin magically and fight all the conditions which make your skin dark. This is a radiant skin cleansing mask which can also tone your oily skin in just a few applications. Thus, go for this multi-benefit mask and make your skin look perfectly even toned.
Tomato juice and honey. Take a fresh tomato and extract fresh juice out of it. Mix a tablespoon of organic honey into it and make a thick paste. Add more honey if required. Just make sure the mixture is not runny. When done, apply the paste on your face and leave it on for 15 minutes. Wash off with lukewarm water. It is one of the best natural toners for oily skin.
Peach and olive or almond oil. You can use this toner to achieve fresh and glowing skin. You will need to peel one peach and mash it well in a blender or food processor. Then add a tablespoon of olive oil or almond oil and stir. Add a tablespoon of cream into the mixture and stir well. Apply this paste on your face and leave it on for 5 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. It is a natural skin toner for oily skin.
Chamomile. Boil a chamomile tea bag in a cup of water for 5 minutes. Let it cool and store the tea in a bottle. Apply this onto your face with a cotton pad after every wash.
Rice water. One of the cheapest way to pamper your skin is through rice water. The Koreans' beauty secret is rice water. Since ages, women over there swear by rice water for their ageless beauty. Rice water contains vitamins, minerals and amino acids which are essential for beautiful skin. It calms any redness of an outbreak. It also acts in astringent and tightens the pores. It is an excellent remedy for acne and a blessing for oily skin beauties. Though there are many types of rice available, the best rice that is suitable for our skin is black rice. It is power-packed with vitamin E, is helpful to rejuvenate skin and gives a shiny and healthy skin you ever wanted.
Raw mango seed. Take the seeds from a couple of raw mangoes. Place them in a pot with 3 to 4 cups of water and boil for 30 minutes. Let the liquid cool and then strain it. Use this to tone your face after every wash.
Ice-cold water. Use a cotton pad to dab some ice-cold water onto your face after you wash it. Optionally, you could simply rub an ice cube on your face.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe for more videos.